Hi artists, today in this video I'm going to be showing you a new website that we're going to be using called WhiteBoard.Fi. Right, the first thing you're going to need to do is of course enter your name once you get to the website. And this is your canvas, your blank piece of paper. Up here at the top you have several tools like the point tool, the draw tool where you could just free draw lines. The next one is another tool where you can click, kind of like the polyline tool inside of Google Draw, where every time you click and move your mouse, it makes a straight line. You can also close it up, change the color up at the top with the little color palette, and make a different color. You also have the square tool. You can also change it. And you also have the circle tool. Next, I'm going to show you the font tool, which is going to be the letter A icon that you see at the top. You can actually type in words. You can highlight it, change the color. You can also drag your text box around your page. Next, we have the Add Image tool, which when you click on it, it looks like a little square with mountains and a circle. It will let you access your computer and you can add an image from your computer like I just did. Next, we also have the Scissor tool, which is the cut tool that erases it. The Copy tool, you have to click on something. When you click the Copy tool and then the Paste, you can copy and paste your objects. You also have the Undo and Redo button, which are the arrows that go to the left and the right. The Zoom In button is your, of course, zoom in. The other one with the negative sign is the zoom out. We also have the Move tool, which will help you move the canvas. So if you want to see the top of your page, the bottom, you could use that. You can also drag, like if you want a background, drag a box over the page, like how I am doing. I'm not too sure what the flatten image does, so don't mess with that, because I tried it in the video and I was like, that didn't do anything. So what you could do is use these tools up at the top to arrange. If you remember that in Google Drawing, you can move stuff to the front, move stuff to the back. And as you see, every time I click that button, it's moving that purple rectangle forward and backwards. You also have these little grid tools, which add a grid behind your drawing. You have the music notes. I think that is for music teachers. And then you also have the emoji, which I just clicked on. In the emoji box, you have so many different emojis you can use to create a work of art just by scrolling down, finding the one you like, and I believe you have to just click on it one time. It will appear on your page, and then you can make it smaller, bigger, move it around. Yeah, I'm messing with the grid tools as you see. Right, so we have several different items on the page. Now I'm going to show you how to download it. Up here at the top is the download button, which is usually the arrow pointing down, and you want to select JPEG. So if you don't finish your drawing today, you can definitely save it and come back to it another day. All right, artists, let's go ahead and play with this new tool. I look forward to seeing what you create.